This is a NEET 2016 question in thermal properties of matter basing on Newton law of cooling. The problem is like this. A body cools from temperature 3T to 2T in 10 minutes. The room temperature is T. So let me stop here for a minute and explain how do we understand that. Thing is, when temperature of body is not very large in comparison with surroundings, according to Newton law of cooling, the rate of loss of temperature to the surroundings is directly proportional to temperature difference between body and surroundings. So the rate of loss can be equated with a proportionality constant of temperature of the body minus temperature of surroundings. Now it is given that it cooled from 3T to 2T in 10 minutes. Let's apply that in this case, right? So applying the first case, dt, change in temperature is from 3T to 2T. So change in temperature is 3T minus 2T in a time of 10 minutes dt. Constant, I don't know, but that will never cancel. Temperature of the body. Temperature of the body is initially 3T, then it is 2T. You cannot take any one value and we shall take the average of that two. Minus temperature of surroundings is given for you as T itself. So when you simplify this equation, 3T minus 2T is T by 10 equal to K. 2T plus 3T is 5T. 5T by 2 is 2.5 times of T minus T. That's equation number 1. That's in case 1. Now we have a case 2. Assume that Newton law of cooling is applicable. Of course, that's what we have taken. Newton law of cooling is applicable. The temperature of the body in the next 10 minutes will be what, right? Let's go for the next 10 minutes, right? So after further 10 minutes, it has already cooled from 3T to 2T. Now it will cool 2T to an unknown value x in a time of 10 minutes. Proportionality constant is same. Earlier temperature of the body means average of that 2 is taken. Now temperature of the body means average of 2T and x has to be taken. Minus temperature of the surroundings is T itself. Simplifying this, 2T minus x by 10 equal to K of 2 is LCM, 2T plus x minus 2T. 2T will cancel. Then 2T minus x by 10 equal to K of x by 2. This is equation number 2. Let's make 1 by 2 and see what happens. Dividing equation number 1, this with this. 1 by 2 gives, on the left hand side, T by 10 of the first equation. On the left hand side of the second equation, 2T minus x by 10. On the right hand side, K of 2.5T minus T. On the second equation, K of x by 2. K cancels, 10 and 10 in the denominators cancels. So T of 2T minus x equal to 2T.5 minus T is 1.5 T by x. Denominator, the denominator come to the numerator. This T and this T also will cancel. So 1 by 2T minus x is 1.5 into 2 is 3 by x. Cross multiply. X equal to 3 into 2T, 60 minus 3x. So 4x equal to 60. So x equal to 60 by 4. 3 by 2 times 50 is the answer for the problem. That's how we get this answer. And this is simply done based on very definition of the Newton law of cooling. That's it. And thank you for watching.